I saw was a song at the time. Most of the executive producers rejected it.
Monya beat ni
yeah, recording we no. Oh, name them from You Name It to Big Ben to who everybody.
No one say Kuti Anyomana.
They weren't feeling it because the vibe was different. And from the norm, and at the time, see, I mean, yeah, at the time it was mostly hip life. So concentration was on hip life. Now, you know, a new vibe of high life music, and said that in your hair, you know, see, you struggle kakra, and then the story is, Continue took it upon himself again. Oh, no, say, you know what? We are going to promote this song on our own. Yeah, it is. First thing I hear and say, you try 50 promo copies, 50 CDs.
50 CDs?
50 CDs.
50.
Yeah, 50. To start promoting nationwide. Can you imagine that? See, I think say, or drop it be mad. I think I could see Abuaji. And or drop it be suma a couple of guys.
Okay.
And see, through Akwesi Abuaji, that's when, or no, born a Kwame Sefa can so take. And a Kwame Sefa can so for CD the man. And then Papa Bills and DJ Awana may so rest in peace.
Oh.
Yeah.
Almost so CD in the movie.
Adom FM, Tema. So almost so these major stations, that's Peace FM and Adom FM. Esom. And almost every, I think so few other most well, it can be. And
Papa Bills double action.
Repeat, like
no double action, no.
Me so double sa failure. All of a sudden, you who say morning show be a Peace FM. Kwame Sefaka.
And I chama general su.
And then you transfer a chum Kumasi. The likes of Andy Dusty, Frankie Taylor, Kwame Dinkra, Apuzo, and a lot of them. Almost so more Kumasi. And there was a DJ in Sunyani, DJ Naughty. Of us, how do you DJ Naughty? Yeah, DJ Naughty. Honestly, so more Sunyani ho. And I started say, before I realized.
Na 50, I see this nasa.
Just say you trust CD, you interview. Obia, just say the DJs were just picking it on their own. Before I realized, no, that song, no, it was baby. Yeah. You know, and one very emotional moment of my career as an artist. Na many Kunti Hine and a couple of guys yet Adabraka Hasi, Strawberry Straw. Tine Numre Ayana also those areas no opesa wote and more air kwa. Those are the areas you need to hang. Yeah, you hang weekends no what hang or out in your merco. Yet honum sa before we realize.
As on nature we. How was the feeling?
You see, they were playing the song, people were jamming to the song, and I was right there, and nobody knew who I was. And one more sir, and DJ no, on repeat. That was one hell of an emotional
moment for you
in my life. Now me who say, oh, Nyankopon aye.
Aye be.
Nyankopon aye.
Finally.
Nyankopon aye.